I wonder where my parents go. She should know I get off at 2:40. Where is she? The car's not up there. Where did she go? She know I get out at this time. Door cracks. Oh my god. Hello? Anybody here? Oh, I'm gonna do my homework. I'm gonna do nothing today. I'm gonna have the time of my life. Don't TV watch whatever I want. Let me take this book bag off. Man, I'm hungry. I'm gonna go sleep inside this refrigerator. Man, it's nothing to eat. You know what? I'm gonna order something. I want some chicken wings. Oh, I'm gonna get some spicy ones, some little pepper. I'm getting everything on the menu. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. Swear to credit card gotta be in here somewhere. Cause I heard my mama say, Kimmy, put this credit card in a drawer. So if you want something to eat, you can get the credit card and give me something to eat. So is it time this one? Where is it? Here. No. No. Where is it? Found it. Okay, here go my phone. Hello? Oh, yes. Can I get 10 hot wings? And I would like 10 lemon pepper. And let me see what else. I would like French fries with that. And I would like a big, large lemonade. Okay. 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 Oh my God, I'm home alone. I'm so excited. I always wanted to do this. Ooh, now I just got away from home. So I'm gonna lay back. Watch TV. That's my food.
Front door open.
I got my food. Yeah. Oh, there. God. So good. Ooh, that fruit is so good. And I'm finna eat these Skittles. I don't know who these Skittles is. I don't care if they're lions. If they're lions, I'm sorry. But I don't care. Keep hearing this weird noise. What is that noise? What is that noise? I think it comes from the basement. Oh no. I'm scared. And I'm home alone. I don't think home alone was a good idea after all. I'm scared. Who is that? Wait. Oh my God. Who is that? Oh my God. I gotta hide.